Hey YouTube, this is Humberto Gray from GrayLaw TV. I'm an immigration attorney practicing in the area of entertainment and business, and I've been practicing for a very long time. I've represented celebrities at U.S. consulates abroad, and the one thing that I have found when I'm in an interview, for example, with Salma Hayek, I was there obtaining her O1 visa, and I notice at the counter mistakes that are made by applicants. So I'm going to share with you the 5 most common mistakes made at a consular interview. Number 1, the invitation letter. The invitation letter is not required for a B1, B2 visa at all. In fact, it could hurt you. If you have family members in the US and they send you a letter that you're going to come to the US and you're going to be with them, that could be problematic because then the consulate thinks you're not going to return. That's a big mistake. It's a myth. You do not need an invitation letter. Number 2, please do not be arrogant. Do not be argumentative. These are consul officers and their dream is to be an ambassador, and they're stuck at the window doing visa applicants and adjudicating visas. They don't want to be there. A lot of times they have a chip on their shoulders, so if you're arrogant and you're argumentative, that's going to be a big problem. Number 3, don't be what I call a chatty Cathy. Please, don't talk a lot. They have 300 applicants waiting, and their time is real short, so you really don't want to talk a lot. You want to be attentive. You want to answer the questions. You want to be very specific. Don't ramble. Don't talk a lot. That's not good. One thing that individuals overlook all the time is their passport validity. You're going to need a passport that's valid for at least 6 months. Okay? Check your passport before you go to your interview. Make sure you have validity for more than 6 months. Also, you want to check your visa pages, okay? They have to place the visa on a blank page. So if you've had many entries, you've had multiple visas, sometimes the pages are not blank and they're not able to put the visa in the passport. So you got to check your passport, make sure, because they can't cover up any of the stamps that you have. You have stamps in your passport. Every entry you make, it's a red stamp. They mark the validity date. That's a problem if there's no room, no space in the passport. Again, on many occasions I've had individuals, they just don't have space in their passport and the visa couldn't be issued. So I always make sure that my clients have enough space in their passport for the visa to be placed. And finally, make sure that you are organized. Your joint documentation that you bring to support the B1, B2 visa, you want to make sure that it's in order, okay? You can even have a cover letter that's paginated, Exhibit A, bank statement, Exhibit B, employment letter, Exhibit C, parents' letter, my spouse's letter. Make sure that they're in order. Do not come to the window at the U.S. consulate and have everything out of order and you hand it to them, because what's going to happen, that consular officer is going to hand it right back to you. So make sure that everything is in order. That's going to be very helpful. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll definitely get your visa. Thank you for watching GrayLaw TV. Click below, like and subscribe.